Good afternoon and Jai Hind. Children, in my previous videos and the PDF which I had shared, in that I had also spoken about the exercises which we will be doing. So now in today's video I'll be talking about the last exercise, which is under the heading of challenge. Okay, so the word challenge itself means that you all have to do little bit of brainstorming. Okay, it's not much, and if you remember in class 7 we had done few exercises in your learners co-mate under the heading in which you had to prepare Maggie, then how to pour ink in the pen. So whatever we dealt last year, so the same thing has been followed up, but the heading is just different. And right now we'll be dealing with how to construct a road. Okay, so there are few clues which are given here. Now what we'll be doing is that we'll be constructing the road using passive voice. Okay, and the clues are given in active voice. So what you need to do is you need to make it into a full complete sentence using the passive voice. So let's start with it. Construction of road. Assess the needs, plan the route, take the soil samples, clear and level the road, put down thick layers of concrete, lay the top surface and add traffic guides. Okay, so these are the clues which have been given, which have been provided to you in the form of an active voice, and now let's change it into passive voice and see where we land. The needs are to be assessed, the soil samples are to be taken, and the route is to be planned. The route is to be cleared and leveled, and thick layers of concrete are to be put down. The top surface is to be laid and the traffic guides are to be added. Okay, so this particular exercise, I want all of you to do it in your notebook. The reason being is that the space which is given here, it is not sufficing for all of you to write the complete answer. So it's better that all of you please do it in your language notebooks. Now let us see how to cook plain rice. Pour water into the cooker and boil is the first step. Add rice and salt and stir. Second step. Third step, bring to full pressure and high heat. Allow to cook, reduce heat and cook for 2 minutes. And then the last is allow to cook naturally after removing from the heat. Now let's see how we change it into a passive voice. So first the water is poured into the cooker and boiled. The rice and salt are added and it is stirred. It is brought to full pressure on high heat for 2 minutes. The heat is reduced and it is further cooked. The rice is allowed to cook naturally after removing from heat. So thus we come to an end of this chapter, active voice and passive voice. I hope you all have done the exercises. This exercise, I'm reminding all of you again, is to be done in your notebooks in a very neat and legible handwriting. If you still have any confusions regarding the topic, you may always text me on my personal window. Until then, take care, do all your work and be tuned to online teaching. Thank you and Jai Hind.